Hello there, welcome to CFN Colombo Fast News. This is the late night edition. I'm Julian Soto in Bogota. As you could see in the image at the beginning of our presentation, today we have had a strange and unusual meteorological phenomenon. The biggest hailstorm reported in our city, specifically in the downtown and the south of our city. To get an idea of the magnitude of this hailstorm, let's contact you with our city reporter. Carolina is live in 26th Street. Hi Carolina, it's been the biggest hailstorm report in Bogota, hasn't it?
Yes, it is. Good evening, Julian. We are cold here, aren't you?
Yes, I am cold too.
Hey, Julian. Were we hit by a relentless hailstorm in Bogota, especially in south neighborhoods. The most affected were Santa Isabel, La Fragua, El Restrepo, and in west of the capital, in the 26th Street. In this moment, I'm in a 26th Street where the hailstorm covered with 90 centimeters. A layer of icy snow. I could talking with people, and people said that to hear sounds horrendous for hailstorm crash with windows, cars, and roofs of houses.
Okay, Carolina, how are people in Bogota streets after disaster?
This disaster has caused property damage and different emergency across the city, and had affected more than 400 people around the city. How this Mrs. Excuse me, Mrs. What's your name?
Hi, I am Maria Paula.
Okay, Maria Paula, where were you doing when started the hailstorm?
I was driving on 26th Street and my car was stuck in the snow. We had never seen anything like this before, and I think that the city is not prepared to face such a phenomenon like this. And there not any response from the government or from the health institutions, and people say to flood their houses and their commercial establishments, and some roofs broke, and today the traffic is a chaos. In this avenue, two sewers has covered with snow, and garbage is also a problem. So we hope that the government or the mayor help us.
What a shame. How there are many cases where government institutes are working. I'm here with a government assistant for some questions. Good evening. Could I ask you some questions, please?
Hi, Anwar. Okay, you can start.
Okay. Civil defense said not to have death or gravity injury reported. But can you tell us about the property damage?
Well, in general, this was a well hailstorm. So far, we don't have reports about floods. We have a cumulus that was absorbed for a draining networks. Yes. However, we have accumulations of ice in parking lots, in balcons, and in the entrance of residential complex.
Okay. Okay. What advice can you give people what to do in this kind of disaster?
Okay, in the worst case, the people report roof failed, damage with the lights, and for that reason, the government department said to keep the calm and avoid using cell phone during the storm, super damaged property to undamaged property, and try to save your car in the garage. Mm, don't touch the electric wheels. Stay indoors and away of windows. And these kind of suggestions are for your safety, and it's all that we have to do.
Okay, thanks for your advice. I'm Carolina Figueroa of CFN, where the most important thing is to keep informed.
Okay, the government assistant said to stay calm and don't forget your umbrellas. Thanks for joining us. See you tomorrow.